breaking news that's just coming in. Kharge's big remark now on the Tharoor row. Kharge says Tharoor kept this in CWC because of his language. Kharge is saying that Shashi Tharoor's language is very good and for this he has been kept in the Congress Working Committee. I had said in Gulbarga that we all spoke in one voice, that we stood together for the country, stood together in Operation Sindoor. We have said country first, but some people say Modi first, country later. So what should we do? A big statement coming in from Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, hitting out at Shashi Tharoor, saying that he was kept in the Congress CWC because of his language, that his language is very good, but at the same time saying that we all stood together for the country, for Operation Sindoor, and said that the country comes first. But he's also attacking the BJP and Shashi Tharoor, saying some people say Modi first, country later. Let's listen into what Mallikarjun Kharge has said on this.
मोदी जी को ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा है घर पे डिप्लोमेटिक, ये शशि थरूर ने लिखा है सर आर्टिकल।
अरे मैं तो अंग्रेजी मेरे को पढ़ने नहीं आता, उनकी लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छी है, उसीलिए तो हम पार्टी में उनको वर्किंग कमेटी मेंबर बनाया है। तो लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि पूरे लोग, अपोजिशन के पूरे लोग मिलके हमने कहा कि देश के आर्मी के साथ है, जो हमारा आर्मी लड़ रहा है उसके साथ है। तो इसीलिए पहला आवाज मैंने उठाया गुलबर्गे के पत्रकार परिषद में। हम बोले कि देश बड़ा है, सबसे देश के लिए हम सभी लोग मिलकर काम करेंगे, पार्टी भाग देश फर्स्ट हमने कहा। वो अब चंद लोग ऐसा कहते हैं मोदी फर्स्ट देश बाद, तो अब हम क्या करें उसको।
And Mosmi Singh joins me on the phone line on this story. Mosmi, big statement coming in from Kharge saying that we supported the army, we stood with the country, but some people say Modi first. What is happening in the Congress?
That's right. You know, that question was asked in context of what Mr. Shashi Tharoor had written in an article heaping praises at Prime Minister Narendra Modi and praising him for his dynamism and energy and not receiving enough domestic support back home. And clearly Mr. Kharge came down very heavy on Mr. Tharoor there, saying that, you know, in his own manner, stating that it was the Congress at the very first go who put up a united front with the government on Operation Sindoor. And but the fact is that we put the country first. If in context of Mr. Tharoor, you know, heaping praises, Kharge goes on to add that if some people think even before the nation PM is first, then I don't have much to add to that.
Well, Mosmi, Shashi Tharoor is being, it is being speculated that Shashi Tharoor may be shifting parties, but he said that he is not leaping to join the BJP. Today now, his party president calling him out, saying that Tharoor is in the CWC for his language and he doesn't understand the kind of words that Shashi Tharoor uses in his articles.
Actually, you know, Mr. Kharge went on to say that, yes, he is a part of the Congress Working Committee and because he's got some grip over the English language. But at the same time, there are almost 30-35 permanent invitees and more than 30-35 special invitees in the Congress Working Committee. So thereby saying it's not really a very big deal. And in fact, the press is repeatedly asking me that question. Everybody has their own take on issues, but the bottom line is, and the underlining factor is, that the Congress has put it clear and loud that for us the country is first. If somebody else wants to put somebody else first, yet again he replies to that question saying, I don't have much to add. So clearly, you know, this is coming right from the top leadership of the Congress party. This remark on Tharoor is first of its kind. Earlier, the Congress party had distanced themselves from what Mr. Tharoor had to say on Operation Sindoor and as far as Modi government's policy and Trump's ceasefire statements are concerned. And that was actually quite different from what the Congress party line was. But this time round, it's the coming directly from the Congress president. That means that the Congress leadership, is in the know-how of what Mr. Tharoor is writing, what he's saying, and it will be left to the party leadership to perhaps, mull the options or perhaps, whether they want to give a clear indication to Mr. Tharoor or not. That will be a matter of time.
Masmi, we are seeing a lot of politics, a lot of war words over Operation Sindoor and Shashi Tharoor's role in this. Of course, this article that he published just 2 days ago has caused more speculation. While he has denied wanting to leave the Congress and joining the BJP, Kharge's statement, of course, today saying country first for us, but for some people, it seems to be Modi first. Are we seeing a clear line being drawn for Tharoor here?
Anisha, at one point one would think that Mr. Kharge was generalizing, but the question was directly focused on Mr. Shashi Tharoor. And thereby, with Mr. Kharge adding that line, it really speaks a lot about where the relationship of Mr. Tharoor with the party high command has come to. And he did go on to elaborate that, not a big deal should be made out of the fact that Shashi Tharoor is a Congress working committee member. He goes on to add that there are leaders who are catering to their own interests rather than the party or the country's interests. So perhaps he left it at there, and one will have to wait and see how this really pans out. But we know for a fact that we've spoken to Mr. Tharoor, and he said that he would be seeking an audience with the Congress leadership soon, and that could be further straining or an icebreaker of a meeting. We'll have to see how it really turns out.
All right, Masmi, stay on with me. We're listening to now, being joined by Manikam Tagore on this story. Mr. Tagore, a lot of speculation about what is happening in the Congress, especially with Mr. Kharge's statement now seemingly hitting out at Shashi Tharoor.
The Congress president is the senior most leader in the Congress party, and Congress president is the final authority in Congress, and he is the person who has been the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha. What Kharge Sahib says is final authority in Congress.
The question that we're asking, sir, is there a delineation, is there a line being drawn for Mr. Tharoor now with what Mallikarjun Kharge has said? Is the Congress party not just distancing itself but also drawing a line in the sand?
Yeah, Congress president is the final authority of Congress party. He only defines the Congress stand, and Kharge Sahib's stand is the final stand of the Congress party. All others, whomever has to accept the Congress stand, has to accept whatever Kharge Sahib is saying.
Well, thank you for that, Mr. Tagore, for speaking to India Today. Let's listen in once again to what the Congress chief has said.
मोदी जी को ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा है घर पे डिप्लोमेटिक, ये शशि थरूर ने लिखा है सर आर्टिकल।
अरे मैं तो अंग्रेजी मेरे को पढ़ने नहीं आता, उनकी लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छी है, इसीलिए तो हम पार्टी में उनको वर्किंग कमेटी मेंबर बनाया है। तो लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि पूरे लोग, अपोजिशन के पूरे लोग मिलके हमने कहा कि देश के आर्मी के साथ है, जो हमारा आर्मी लड़ रहा है उसके साथ है। तो इसीलिए पहला आवाज मैंने उठाया गुलबर्गे के पत्रकार परिषद में। हम बोले कि देश बड़ा है सबसे, देश के लिए हम सभी लोग मिलकर काम करेंगे, पार्टी बात, देश फर्स्ट हमने कहा। वो अब चंद लोग ऐसा कहते हैं मोदी फर्स्ट देश बात, तो अब हम क्या करें।